Hey y'all, happy Friday. It is a gorgeous evening, a little on the hot side, but a gorgeous evening to start our weekend off. It looked like it was gonna storm for a little while, but that seemed to go away. So I'm excited about that because it's a good weekend to get out and do some fun things. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun things on the agenda. We have a palooza tomorrow night, and so we only have one project tonight because I have to go finish cutting the rest of the projects, which is why the hair looks like this. It's awfully humid out there. Hey, Fee. And so this is what happens to my hair when it's humid. So there was nothing I could do about that. So I'm gonna get back out there as soon as I do this project and finish cutting all the projects for the palooza, which we're super, super excited about. This is 2 that we've done in July and they've been super fun. We will be doing another one in the fall, probably September or October. And then of course we will do our annual Black Friday palooza. So I'm excited about that one as well. That one's always Christmas related, of course. Get a little jump start after you've been Black Friday shopping. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt you guys down. Oh, I do want to show you a project that's coming up next Saturday. Hey, Bonnie, this is gorgeous. I haven't painted it yet, but this is going to be a class for next Saturday. You're not going to want to miss this one, so make sure you're looking out for that. I'll post it as soon as I finish painting it. So for tonight, we are doing Always Kiss Me Goodnight. Always a nice reminder. I'm going to hang this one in my bedroom, and so we're going to go ahead and get started. There we go. I'm gonna paint my background, which I'm gonna paint white, but I'm gonna water it down some. I just want it to look like a wash more than actually painted. And I normally mix my white and my water in a bowl. I didn't do that today. I'm just gonna dip in the water and into the paint, just because I didn't mix it ahead of time. So it'll work either way. I just want it to be a little more watered down so that it looks more distressed a little. Like I said, more like a wash than full coverage. And so I'm just putting some paint on and then dipping some water, and that way it goes a little further. After I'm done, I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe it off so that excess water doesn't stay on the board. You don't want it to warp from having too much water on it. So what do you guys have planned for the weekend? Sounds like it's going to be a great weekend. We are working all weekend, but looking forward to some fun. I know that we had fun last night. We went over to Isle of Wight to the laser light show. Oh my goodness, what a good time we had. We took the truck so we could put our blankets and stuff in the back, and we picked up dinner and just kind of had a picnic in the back of the truck while we waited for the show. Super, super fun. If you guys are planning to do that this weekend, you are gonna love it. Love it. They put on a wonderful show to it for the weekend that you do it. It was definitely fun, something we hadn't done before, so I always like to do something new. All right, so now I'm gonna take my paper towel and just wipe this excess water off. And you'll see it just gives it that whitewash look. And then we're just gonna set this aside and we're gonna paint our framing. And I'm doing our framing in navy blue. I just think I wanna decorate every space all the time. I don't want a space to go undecorated for any season. It's funny, when my kids were little, I was all out. Like, we did it full blown. And then as they got a little bit older, they didn't really care as much about all that. I didn't do it as much. And now that they're grown and gone, now I'm like, oh, I need to decorate. I guess it's because life is gonna slow down a little bit, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see when Maddie leaves for school if it slows down any. She's not really the one that makes it busy though, so I'm gonna guess no. Frame and everything to make it look really special, but not a lot of work to make it. This would make a great wedding gift. All right, let's switch spots there. Put another coat on here. Because I am not seeing any comments at all, and I know better than that. I just know better than that y'all are not that quiet. So hopefully it's just our internet connection and it'll be all good in a second. We've got this all coated with the navy blue, and I think we are ready to start gluing it together. So I'm gonna move this pumpkin. I cannot wait for that class. That class is gonna be next Saturday. So if you like that, make sure you're on the lookout for that, that listing when it comes out.